Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most powerful and transformative topics for men who want to level up in life, looksmaxing. But this isn't just about looking good, this is about becoming the best version of yourself, both physically and mentally. If you are a Sigma male or aspire to be one, this video is your ultimate guide to mastering your appearance, personality, and presence. Let's get started. Watch till the end to unlock everything regarding looksmaxing. Well, looksmaxing is the art and science of maximizing your potential, appearance, and overall attractiveness. It's about optimizing every aspect of your looks, your face, body, style, and grooming to create a powerful first impression. But here is the thing, for Sigma males, it's not just about vanity, it's about self respect, confidence, and commanding respect from others. Well, before we dive into the physical aspect, let's talk about Sigma male mindset. Sigma males are the lone wolves. They don't follow the crowd, they don't seek validation, and they operate their own terms. Looksmaxing for a Sigma male is not about fitting into societal standards. It's about enhancing your natural strength and owning your uniqueness. Alright, let's break down the four pillars of looksmaxing: face, body, style, and grooming. First, face. Your face is the first thing people notice. Start with a solid skincare routine, cleansing, moisturizing, and using sunscreen. If you have facial hair, keep it well groomed. For those looking to enhance their jawline, consider mewing, proper tongue posture, or even chewing gum to strengthen your jawline of your jaw muscles. Remember, a sharp jawline screams dominance and confidence. Second, body. Your body is your temple. Hit the gym, build muscle, and stay lean. A strong, athletic physique not only boosts your attractiveness but also your confidence. Focus on compound lifts like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. And don't forget cardio. It keeps you lean and energetic. Third, style. Style is where you can truly express your personality. Invest in a wardrobe that fits well and complements your body type. Stick to timeless pieces like a tailored suit, a crisp white shirt, and a dark jeans. For Sigma male, less is more. Opt for minimalist, clean looks that exude sophistication. Fourth, grooming. Grooming is the finishing touch. Keep your hair fresh, whether it's a clean buzz cut or a stylish fade. Maintain good oral hygiene and always smell good with a signature collagen. Small details like trimmed nails and clean shoes so that you pay attention to yourself. Well, looksmaxing is just about outside, it's about what's inside too. The Sigma male is calm, composed, and always in control. Work on your communication skill. Learn to listen more than you speak. And always stay mysterious. People should wonder about you, not the other way around. Well, your body language speaks louder than words. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and move with purpose. A firm handshake and a calm demeanor can make you unforgettable. Remember, confidence is silent, insecurities are loud. Well, looksmaxing is just one part of the Sigma male lifestyle. Surround yourself with quality people. Pursue your passion and always strive for excellence. Remember, a Sigma male does not chase, he attracts. Looksmaxing is more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, inside and outside. So if you are ready to take control of your life and unlock your true potential, start today. Remember, the world rewards those who invest in themselves. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and keep leveling up. This is your time. Go out there and own it. Subscribe for more tips on self-improvement, Sigma male mindset, and looksmaxing. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and share it with your friends and someone who needs to see this. See you in the next one. Thank you.